Hi Group 1, here are your spelling words for your test. Your first word is lock. Please make sure to lock the iPad cart. Lock. Your next word is plus. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus. Your next word is lamp. I accidentally broke the lamp with the soccer ball. Lamp. Next is pie. My mom and I made a yummy apple pie. Pie. The next word is letter. I received a letter in the mail from my grandma. Letter. Your next word is plug. Please plug in your iPad. Plug. Next is pin. Can you please pin your project on the wall? Pin. The next word is plate. After dinner, I washed my plate. Plate. Your surprise word for this week is lip. I got out my chapstick because my lip is chapped. Lip.